this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will show you how to get free traffic for affiliate marketing in 2020, guys. So guys, if you are struggling on how to get free traffic, or you don't have budget to spend on affiliate marketing or to promote your affiliate offer, then guys, this video is for you. In this video I will show you exactly how to get free traffic for your affiliate marketing or to promote your affiliate offer, guys. Right? So guys, without any delay, let I show you my best way to get free traffic, and this one is YouTube, guys. Yes. So guys, here what you need to do, you need to create your YouTube channel in your niche, right? As you can see, this is my YouTube channel. This is whatever I know, right? In my niche, that is affiliate marketing, or you can say make money online niche. This is my you can say my niche. So considering this, I have created my YouTube channel, right? And then what you need to do, you need to put out how to videos and product review video on your YouTube channel, doing some on page SEO, guys. It's a search engine optimization. By the way, if you don't know how to create your YouTube channel or how to you can say how to do on page SEO, then yes, down below I'm putting the link of my training where I have shown how to create a YouTube channel and how to do on page SEO so that you can promote your affiliate offer. Then yes, you can just watch that training, guys, right? So don't worry. So guys, here you can see I have a YouTube channel, right? And on my YouTube channel I have put out some of my training, right? That where like how to videos and product review videos. So you can see how to promote affiliate offer on YouTube, doing SEO, and how to make money online. And you can say here you will see yes, product review video about one funnel away challenge, right? My latest OFA challenge review. So guys, you can see there are millions of people, those who go to YouTube and they type like how to do affiliate marketing or how to make money online, or they search about any specific product. They want to know more about any product, like ClickFunnels review, Aweber review, or like ConvertKit review, Click Magic review, right? Get response review. So they want to know more about one specific product. So guys, here if you get a chance on first page on YouTube, guys, then guys, there are chances that you will be getting a free traffic to your affiliate offer or to your video. And yes, from your description section you can promote your affiliate offer, guys, by having your affiliate link or your funnel link or your website link, guys. Right? So this is how you get free traffic for your affiliate marketing, so that you can promote your affiliate offer, guys. So this is one of the way that you can do, right? By the way, let I show you the some of the videos that on which I'm getting free traffic, guys, right? And for that, guys, I haven't paid even a single penny, guys, right? So you can see 40 views, 39 views, 86 views, and there are, you can say, videos where you can see views are more than 1,000. Like I show you. And guys, here like you can say there are 133 views, right? And I show you 75 views, 43 views, 224 views, right? And 98 views. Yes, can you see that? 1.3k views, right? 367 views, 138 views, right? And 224 views, right? So guys, you can see it's 488 views. So guys, you can see here that I haven't paid even a single penny for getting views on my YouTube. It is totally based on, you can say, on page SEO, right? You can, don't worry, and down below I'm just putting the link so that you can watch the training, so that you can know how to do on page SEO, right? So that you can get your video on first page of YouTube, or on first position of on YouTube, guys, right? So don't worry, guys, right? So guys, here you can see, guys, don't think that yes, there are only 53 or 66 views or 1,000 views or only 48 views. Guys, you need only one person, guys, right? you need only one person to buy your affiliate offer, guys. So you never know. So you put out your valuable content on your YouTube with consistency, guys, right? So when you put out more content on YouTube with consistency, YouTube will reward you to show your video on, you can say, right hand side of like when someone watch any video, then on the right hand side of the video it will show your video in a suggested column, guys, right? So yes, so you never know, guys, right? So here I would highly recommend you guys, yes, if you want to get free traffic for your affiliate marketing, then you start with YouTube channel, guys. This is one of the best way, right, to get free traffic for your affiliate marketing, right? So this is one way. Second way, what you can do, you can go to your Facebook profile, right? And here what you can do, like you can see, this is my Facebook profile, right? So here you can do to get your free traffic for your affiliate marketing or to promote your affiliate offer. What you can do Facebook live video on consistent basis, where you can say you provide value in your video, live video, right? So you can talk about like whatever you know about your subject. Like I'm into affiliate marketing, so almost on daily basis I do Facebook live, right? I put out valuable content, right? So in my Facebook live video, what I do, I promote my affiliate offer, where I tell them, hey, if you want to know more or if you want to start your online business, then go to my profile and there is a link and there is a banner, right? And to buy that product, just go and click on that link. So you can see that, guys, there is a banner, you can see banner of the product that I'm promoting, promoting that is one funnel away challenge, right? And above that banner there is a link, you can see that. So this is my direct link of the affiliate offer that I'm promoting, and this one is one funnel away challenge, right? This link is of my website link, or you can say funnel link, through which I am offering a free ebook so that I can build my email list, and as they submit their name and email address, then they will go to my affiliate offer. So that way I'm doing two things. One, I'm collecting emails. Second, I'm also promoting my affiliate offer, guys, right? So you can see if someone click on that button, then submit his name and email address, then on the next page they are going to my bridge page, right? And on that bridge page I'm offering my affiliate offer, right? Same offer, that is one funnel away challenge, right? By giving bonuses just to stand out from the competition, guys. You can see that, guys. So these are the bonuses that I'm giving away for free, like my personal coaching, my personal support for life, my free training, right, where I have revealed how I made $4,300 just promoting one funnel away challenge, and .com secrets book, expert secrets book. So guys, you can see these are the bonuses that I'm giving away for free just to stand out from the competition, guys, right? So guys, here so it was my direct link, guys, right? You can see one funnel away challenge, right? One clicks on that link here, so that very person will go to the same offer that I have shown you, and you can see that, guys. So here it will show you, right? You can see right? Yes, you can see that, right? Yes, you can see that. So guys, this is you can say another way to get free traffic. Just start doing a Facebook live video, right, to get free traffic, and you can redirect them to your offer. This is my direct link, and this one is my funnel link, right? So this is another way. Or you can do on your same, you can write a written post. Like if you have fear to be on camera, then you can write a post, or you can say write content, written content on daily basis or on consistent basis. And yes, in like in your like put out content that are valuable, right? Don't be salesy, because nobody likes to be sold, guys, right? So yes, first put out valuable content, value, and then sell, guys, right? So this can be your format. So yes, 4 posts can be of valuable content, right, where you are just giving some kind of valuable content, or you can say you are writing a post solving one of the problem of your ideal customer in your niche, right? So 4 content are about value, and then in your fifth post you can talk about your affiliate offer that you are promoting. So here in your post, at the end of your post, you can direct them, hey, if you want to know more or if you want to buy that product, go to my profile, there is a banner, and above that banner there is a link to buy my product, right? So that you can do, right, to get your free traffic. So this is this second way. And third way, what you can do, guys, on your you can say go to Pinterest, create your account, and start same thing, guys. Start providing valuable content there. Post there, you can say in a you can say infographic picture, or you can say any you can see that, guys. You can see. So here I'm just posting my YouTube videos as well as some written content. Let I show you recent pins. You can see, right? So these are my posts, right? So be consistent there on Pinterest, and you can see that, guys, I have 5.3k impression, 30 pins, you can say have been saved, right? And there are 14 link clicks, guys. So guys, these you can say these are free traffic, guys. I'm not paying any dollar or any penny just to get free traffic, guys, right? So guys, that you can do, guys, right? So you can say monthly views are 886, guys, right? And through which I'm promoting my affiliate offer, you can say I'm just redirecting them to my website, right? This is whatever I know. I will show you this one. So that I show you. No, it's here. It will be here. Okay. Yeah, this one, guys, right? So this is my website. So through Pinterest, I'm promoting my blog, right? You can say I'm promoting my website, right? So yes, if someone watch my video or watch my content, or sorry, read my content, then they go to my profile and they click on my website link. This one is whatever I know, guys, right? So yes, if they click on that that link, right, they will go to my blog, and this one I'm talking about, this one, right? This one, guys, you can see whatever I know. And on my blog, what I'm doing, I'm just promoting my affiliate offer, you can see, right? So if they go and read any articles on my blog, like for example, if they read this post, right, and in my post I have link of my affiliate offer, right? You can see, I'll show you, don't worry. So this is my post, and you can see, so this is the link of my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, right? So guys, this is your third way. You can see that, guys. Yes, one funnel away challenge, it will show. You can see that, guys. Yeah, that's it, guys, right? So guys, this is my third way that you can get free traffic from Pinterest, guys, right? So go and create your account and start promoting valuable content, start promoting valuable pin on your Pinterest, and definitely, guys, very soon you will be getting traffic, free traffic for your affiliate marketing, right? So this is the third way. And fourth way is that, guys, you can see on Quora, guys, on Quora on regular basis there are people, they you can say ask for questions like how to do affiliate marketing or what are the best affiliate program. So guys, here create your content on Quora, right, and start giving answers, guys. As you can see on monthly, you can see in last 30 days there are 102k views, guys, or you can say 1002k views, right? So and 5 votes. So yes, I'm getting free traffic from Quora, guys, right? So same thing you can do, guys. Like you can see I have given the answer, right, of the people, those who were asking. So yes, you can see, guys, right? So there are 182 views to my you can say somebody asked the question and I have given the answer, right? So yes, they have you can say there are 182 views, right? So guys, these are the ways to get free traffic for your affiliate marketing business, guys. So guys, here what happens if as I ask, you can say, as I give the, you can say, give the answer. So you know that, guys, people are, you can say, in the impression that yes, who has given the answer. So yes, they go to my profile, guys, right? And on my profile, what I'm doing, guys, I'm simply promoting my website. You can see whatever I know, guys, right? So if they click on that, they will go to my website, right? This one, guys, right? And if they read any article, right? So yes, that, and if they find any value in my article, right, and they click on any link that is my affiliate link, then yes, if they buy, then I will be making money, guys, right? So this is how I get free traffic for my affiliate marketing business, guys. So this is how you can do, guys. Just one is you can create your YouTube channel and start promoting, or you can just start putting out how to videos and product review video, right? Second, you can go to Facebook, create your profile and start doing Facebook live, or start creating some valuable content in written format and just redirect them to your profile, right? Like this one, right? And your profile banner, and then you can talk about your affiliate link. Yes, go and click on that. Third, go to Pinterest and create your account and start pinning, or you can just start putting out some great content, whether it's in written format or in picture format or in infographic format or in video format, right? Like as you create YouTube, then yes, from your YouTube you can pin that, right? And fourth one is Quora, guys, right? So just go and create your account and start giving answer to the question that people are asking in your niche, guys, right? So these are the 4 ways to get free traffic for your affiliate marketing, right, guys? So guys, this is all about for today. And yes, if you have any questions, then please do let me know. I will personally help you, right? And yes, if you like this video, please do like, share and comment, right? And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Down below there is a button subscribe, and yes, there is also button bell button. So click on that bell button so that you can get the notification of my future videos that are related to affiliate marketing. So yes, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel, right, guys? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.